Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube TV Sports Package 2026. In 2026 you can use the YouTube TV Sports plan as a standalone or skinny bundle designed for fans who want live games without paying for non-profit non-sports channel. This plan cost $64.99 per month, $18 cheaper than the standard base plan, and includes major broadcast and cable networks. Now, to set up the sports plan, all you have to do is open the YouTube TV Sports Plan page or download the application and use the option picker during the sign up to indicate your sports preference, and the system will recommend the appropriate plan. Then go to settings and memberships in the YouTube TV application and select the sports plan to switch. And once you do so, you should be able to enjoy your sports contents in YouTube TV. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.